Hi, it's Mike.
It's a quick video just to make formulas a little bit easier. So first select your data, then go to formulas and then select define name, and that should automatically name it what you've titled the column. So click OK and do the same for the next one. Define name, again it's automatically named it amount spent, which is what I've titled it. Now here you just type equals and then type the first column that you want, and then plus or minus, so in this case it will be minus, type amount spent, select that and press enter, and that has automatically calculated the sum for you. It's much easier than doing formulas the other way where you have to do cell names.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.